Hey everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. Of course, tomorrow we got the non-farm payroll, so it's a little bit of hurry up and wait for that. And of course, from there is wondering, will this market ever take a pause? You'll note here that the weekly chart has started to lose momentum here. Um, I do think we've got another burst of energy happening. And remember, this is, I think, the biggest NASDAQ rally over the quarter, over a quarter since Q4 1999, I think is what I saw. So pretty intense rally. Tomorrow with non-farm payrolls, of course, anything can happen. This market has tended to be positive with that simply because if the employment numbers are worse than thought, they thought it's like, oh, the Fed's going to help more. And if they're better than thought, oh, it's a V-shaped recovery. But what I'm looking for is basically kind of a surge into mid-August. And then from there, things to kind of chop around, possibly even get a pullback. The other thing I'm looking to happen too, though, is that the S&Ps actually make new all-time highs. At this point, we're very close to that. You can see this is where we were in February. And at the very least, we kind of come up at, it acts like a magnet at this point, and then we'd at least take it out, and then we'll see. I would certainly be looking and edging towards the idea of taking profits. If you're asking why, it's because anytime you get pretty extended from the weekly 8 EMA, you come back and test it. You come up, you come back and test it. Guess where we are now? So if you're a shorter term trader, and by shorter term, I mean a couple of days to a couple of weeks, then I would look at any strength tomorrow as an opportunity to kind of take some chips off the table and trail up your stops. If you're a longer term investor, just there's nothing wrong with just riding this out for now. Keep in mind what's moving here and where money is going. We're going into inflation markets. Gold here is taking off. Now, gold here is at new all time highs. To me, the most interesting market here is silver. Silver up 9% today with the idea that, and you can see it's up after hours even more. Let's look at the silver futures here. Silver needs to catch up. Yes, gold's at all-time highs, but silver is only um, at 29.50. And if you keep in, it's almost half of what the all-time high is. So it's just taken off here, and it's just a great one to hold on to. All right. And then from there, in terms of a stock that I like, probably my favorite here is Google. Yes, I mean, Apple looks great. Yes, Amazon looks great. Shopify actually looks great here too. But what I like about Google here is that it's got this kind of squeeze, slingshot goal here. And so I am looking to take advantage of that. All right, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.